When it comes to finding gels that actually hold my type 4 hair, it has been so difficult. So if you're looking for curl definition and moisture all in one product, I'll be sharing some natural gels you should definitely try, and trust me, they are very easy to make, and you'll be surprised how well they actually work for your type 4 hair or any of your type of hair. Like if you have 4B, 4C, I got you, okay? So yeah, let's dive right into the video. So we're going to be starting off strong with my aloe vera gel. This has been my go-to for moisture, especially if you have 4C hair. I've used it to moisture my hair and as a leave-in conditioner, but you can also use it as a to define your curls. So when it comes to my curls definition, anytime I apply aloe vera gel to my curls, immediately starts popping and it's very easy to make. So I have a video where I actually showed you how to make the aloe vera gel, how to extract it from the aloe vera. So yeah, like I said, these gels are very good. I'm going to be mentioning some natural gels, so this is something that you can easily extract. I already said I had a video. So yeah, so once you're done extracting, this is how the gel will look like. So basically you get your aloe vera and then you cut it off, and then you basically just what do you call it, scrape off the gels from the actual plants. So once you're done scraping out the gel, you're not going to sieve it out. That's where the whole process is. So once you sieve out like the gel in there, you're going to get your aloe vera gel. So yeah, once you're done doing that, this is how your gel is going to look like. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner. Trust me, the moisture in your hair will be something on another level. So yeah, and it will last. Aloe vera gel, like the curl pattern, the curls you get from aloe vera gel is very good. The definition is very good and has other benefits. So aloe vera has benefits like it helps with hair loss. So if you're struggling with like you're losing hair, your hair is breaking, I would definitely recommend aloe vera gel. Another thing is that it also helps with hair shine. So if your hair is dull, it doesn't have that shine. You know, like if you're looking at the gel now, you see how it has shine. So if you use this on your hair to help with your hair shine, it also helps with moisture, like I said earlier. And it also, if you're dealing with dandruff too, you can always use aloe vera gel. Trust me, I always had flaky scalp, especially if you have 4C hair. You notice that your scalp flakes a lot, especially if you make like hair, it flakes a lot. So yeah, it's very good for dandruff. It also has so many vitamins that will help to improve your hair follicles. So this is like an all-in-one, like one-in-one product. The product is getting your hair color definition and also giving you the moisture you need and getting benefits for using it. So yeah, I would say this is something I would definitely recommend you try. And if you've been using it before, I would love to hear from you. Like, what are your reviews using aloe vera gel? For me, it has been so good. My curl pattern has been top notch, like very good. Another thing about it is I've noticed that it holds my curls for longer periods. So trust me when I say this is your go-to product, especially if you're struggling with dandruff, hair shine, or you're basically trying to get moisture to your hair. I'll definitely recommend it. So yeah, so trust me, I'm going to be giving you another product that will leave your curls, like hold your curls so for a longer period of time. You get more moisture, you get more curl definition. So yeah, I'm sure you're waiting for the video. So another product I was talking about is the aqua water. I've heard a lot about it, like people are doing videos about like how aqua water helps with your moisture, you get your definition, it holds your curl long for longer periods. So yeah, I would definitely, this is something I would love to try. So in my next video I'll be trying out aqua water. But from what I've been hearing, it will definitely makes your hair softer, your hair is more moisture, you get defined curls, and everything is very good. I always recommend it. So yeah, and after doing this, I mentioned that you're going to go in with your rest of your routine. So once you're done applying like the gel, aloe vera gel on your hair, you're going to go in with your normal routine, because some people actually aloe vera doesn't smell, so the smell is not that bad. So this is something you can actually bear. So once you've done applying it on your hair, as you can see, I'm applying it directly to my scalp. So once you're applying this, don't apply it to like the length of your hair, just your scalp. It's important you apply it just to your scalp so it doesn't the product can do what it's supposed to do, like it gets into like where it's supposed to be. So once you've done doing that, this is how my hair is looking after applying the gel. As you can see, growth is already coming out, like can you see? So yeah, once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in my moisture routine. Like I always say, I do my LOC method, which is liquid oil and conditioner. So the liquid here was the aqua water, and here we're going to be using the oil. I'm going to be using this virgin hair fertilizer. This is something I've been using. I've talked a lot on my channel. If you're struggling with hair, you're having dandruff, your scalp is flaking, you're having itchiness of your scalp, I'll definitely recommend this. And it's a two-in-one product. It does that and also grows your hair, like rapid growth. As you can see on the bottle, you'll see that it's written rapid growth. Your hair will literally grow using this hair fertilizer. So yeah, this is something I'll recommend you using. So once you've done doing that, like I said, LOC. So the C is the cream. So here the cream I'll be using shea butter. Shea butter is a very natural thick butter that actually seals in moisture for weeks. Like I normally say days, but recently I've seen that it keep my curls, my moisture for like weeks, and this is not something I'm capping. If you've used shea butter and you've gotten this review, I would love to hear from you in the comment section, so people will not be like, oh, this guy is just blabbing. This is something that actually works. So if you've used shea butter and it's held your moisture for longer periods, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. So yeah, once you've done your 3-step moisture routine, the next thing I'm going to talk about is how it has held my curls. Like I've noticed that my curls has been good ever since I started using aloe vera. My hair growth has been top notch. Like my hair has been growing very, very fast. Like I'm not capping. Ever since I started using aloe vera and then doing my moisture routine, it's something that I've seen lots of growth. So the next thing I always do is I go in with like a massage. This is something that you shouldn't skip. Like massages are very good. It helps for blood circulation. It makes, when you have blood circulation obviously on your head, your scalp, it also tends to grow your hair faster. This is something you should not sleep on. So I'm basically using my scalp massager to just massage my hair and make sure it gets into like, it helps to massage my scalp basically, thereby increasing blood circulation. As you can see, it's so relaxing. Like if you're having any itchiness, you can always use this to just scratch your hair. But basically I've used my hair fertilizer here, so I'm not having any itchiness. I'm just basically massaging my scalp. So once you've done that, I would say this is something I've been using for years and I've seen a lot of reviews, and I would definitely recommend you doing this. And yeah, if you don't have a scalp massager, you can always use your hands. Like I say, your hands are the best form of massager. Like you can never go wrong using your hands. So this was the shea butter I was talking about. You can see how thick it is. So basically you apply your shea butter just to the length of your hair, not your scalp, because if you apply it to the scalp of your hair, so it doesn't cause build up on your scalp. When you put like very thick butter like that on your scalp, definitely it's going to block, like stunt your growth. So you just apply it to the length of your hair. Once you're done applying it to the length of your hair, make sure you apply it very well. Like as you can see, I'm applying it very well, a generous amount. Don't be stingy with this, go generously with it. The more product you use on your hair, the more it seals in the moisture. So yeah, once I'm done with that, I'm going with my Jamaican castor oil. This is holy grail oil. Like if you're trying to grow your edges, you're trying to get thicker hair, you're trying to what do you call it, get your hair darker, I'll definitely recommend this. So I apply it to the edges of my hair, like my edges. So once I'm done applying it, I always massage it so that the product can do its magic. So yeah, once you've done this, you can apply it to the length of your hair and also the scalp of your hair. So it seals in moisture. It's like the extra sealant, like you're sealing it like for real, for real. So once you've done this, you're going to go in with your scalp massager again, just to make sure the product does its magic and it goes to where it's supposed to go. Once you've done doing that, I would say this is something I've been doing for, let's say, since last year, and I've seen a lot of results. And some people that have done it, they've also left their review. You can check in the comment section. This is something that's worked for me, and you will definitely see results using this. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend this. I would love to hear from you guys. What other gels have you used on your hair that's actually working on your hair, and you've seen like lots of growth, and your curl patterns are very good? So yeah, I didn't experience any flakiness when using this. I'm sure some people will be like, oh, aloe vera gel would give you flakiness, it will give you itchy scalp. I definitely did not experience any of that, and I would say it's very good. And The next routine I'll try out will be definitely okra water. I've heard a lot about it and I'd love to try it out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.